This is a air conditioning compressor off of a 1992 Accord, Honda Accord. This thing was leaking. You can see where I had some dye in the refrigerant, and the refrigerant leaked out. There was 3 bolts I had to cut off to get this off, this piece, because I need to, when you buy a new air conditioning compressor, I don't think they sell this piece. So I went to this from the side and sliced through. You got to be careful because you'll damage this piece. The bolts apparently were over tightened or something when it was assembled. This is a black gasket. You need a new one. When you, I think the new air conditioning compressor will come with one of these. You want to use RTV sealant or gasket, whatever they call it, sealant, underneath this gasket, because if you don't, refrigerant's going to leak out in various spots, and you're going to think that maybe this thing was sent to you and it was bad, it was warped or something like that. The reason why it leaks is because you didn't put RTV sealant below this gasket before you put the gasket in, and then you put this piece on top of it, and then you put the bolts in and tighten it up to the proper torque, which I don't think they tell you what it is, but you just tighten it enough. So it's pretty snug. I think that's it. There was an electrical connector here. I used it. I think I reused it, and there was something. This is where the bolts in on the bottom to the car. This thing bolts in. You got a long bolt that goes through this hole and this hole, and I think on this piece you have a little piece right here that goes down. I don't know what it is for. I stuck a bolt in it because it was bad. I just blocked it off. I don't think you want to do that. You can get new pieces like that if you have an air conditioning compressor that has, I forgot what these are called. Could be called a manifold or something like that. Air conditioning manifold. You can get new ones or redone ones. They call it remanufactured. You can get them, I think, on the internet. But you might have difficulty finding it though. Depends on what kind of car you got and all that. This is where one hose connection went in, and this is where the other hose connection went in. So it had refrigerant going in here and refrigerant going in here or something like that. So this is how it can. Anyway, that's about it.